All right, well, more and more Americans are getting their tax advice from social media platforms like TikTok, causing frustration among tax professionals as some advice tends to be misleading. We want to bring in Yahoo Finance personal finance reporter Rebecca Chen for more on this. And Rebecca, not all the information out there is what you should listen to. So if you're on TikTok, if you're on these social media sites, maybe watching some of these videos, what should you be looking out for?
Right. So a couple surveys that we came across in our reporting shows that more than 50% of Americans are now turning to social media for financial advice. In this season, many are turning to TikTok for these tax advice. Some of the experts I've spoken with say they are noticing more of their clients coming to them with TikTok videos, wanting to apply that on their own tax returns. And it's extremely frustrating because they're noticing a lot of the contents are false or misleading. One of the preparer I spoke with said he had a client wanting to deduct a brand new Mercedes G-Wagon on his return just because he saw it on TikTok. TikTok taught the secret tax tip. It was really nothing more than just a business vehicle deduction. And while some people are eligible for that, but the rules are so complicated and so many hoops to jump through if you really want it. So he's definitely recommending that don't trust everything you would see on social media. Confirm your sources and definitely do not go out and buy a $100,000 car and expecting to deduct that on your tax return.
Don't trust everything you see on social media. Seems like a pretty good general rule of thumb, but if I do see a tax tip on TikTok that seems about right, what should people do?
So for our audience members who are working with a tax professional, they should definitely go and confirm the information before assuming anything. And for those who are preparing their own returns, they could, if they do see something that intrigues them, a post or tax tip that they're interested in, always go to the IRS website and confirm that information. Now, I know the IRS website isn't the easiest to navigate, but they do have some really good and reliable information that people could look into. And if none of these are feasible, our audience who meet the income restriction, they can always go to their local volunteer tax assistance center. There are people who work there, who volunteer there, who are professionals, and they do work with the IRS. So they can definitely provide more clarification and answers for these tax questions.
Good stuff. Rebecca Chen, really appreciate that. Excellent tips.